Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We are in the countryside, around 30 minutes from the city of Granada, hour to Malaga Airport, to show you this absolutely incredible Andalusian Hacienda style property. This house sits in a plot of 12 hectares, completely fenced. There is central heating, mains electricity, well water with a filtration system, and absolutely incredible styling inside. There's a lot to see here, so bear with us. As you can see, we walk straight into this open plan area with 2 sitting rooms. There's a nice open fireplace here, and then some beautiful decoration, nice stone archways, and you can see some stone exposed on the main walls as well. And then we have another room just off, very nice reading room. You've got these 2 beautiful large windows that overlook the countryside and the swimming pool, so plenty of light in here. There are 5 ensuite bedrooms plus an additional bathroom in this property alone. There's a separate apartment that has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So look at this incredible table. You can see just how big this property is. It is absolutely perfect if you want to run a B&B, a retreat centre, conference centre, things like that. It's absolutely stunning. So we come through now to the open plan kitchen and small dining area. Small in terms of it has a small table, not a giant table like in the other part of the property. And look at this amazing fireplace. This is real old style Andalusia. Absolutely wonderful. You could actually sit inside this fireplace as they used to do in the old days. Just going to go around here and show you the pantry. So obviously this, because it's a pantry, is pretty simple, but it has lots of room, and everything that you would need to run a hotel you can fit into this space very, very easily. So as well as the building itself and the separate apartment, there are some pens for birds, for chickens, and other spaces for animals. So the property has been totally reformed, and you can see that by the quality and the standard of everything that appears in the video. Here we have another wood burning stove. So as well as the central heating, you have other options for heating that also give you some ambiance. And this I really like. The owners put in this fountain, and it does actually work. Let me see if I can turn it on. There we go. Isn't that cool? There's just so many little touches, so much attention to detail. It's quite wonderful. And the house is going to be sold with many of the things that you see in the video. Obviously not everything, because there are some very personal items and some antiques that the owners will be taking with them, but there will be, of course, an inventory. The house does have an alarm system already connected, and as I said before, the plot is completely fenced, so it's very safe. Entrance is via electronic gate. So just here we have this really sweet, very Andalusian style nook, and the front door is here, you can see, and then we have this incredible hallway. I will at some point measure the height of that ceiling because it is phenomenal. This is your extra bathroom. As we go forward, here there's a little storage cupboard, which is always useful. And this is the separate bathroom. So as I said, all of the bedrooms have ensuite. But of course, if you're downstairs and you're entertaining, you don't want your guests to have to go upstairs to their bedroom if they need to use the bathroom. So it's ideal having that extra space. Everything has been thought through perfectly here. It really is designed for a business. If you have a large family, lots of friends, you like entertaining, this also would work. I'm just going to give you another view of this incredible hall. This house does have a really wonderful feel about it. Some old properties you go into, they don't feel quite as good as this. This is sensational. It just feels like a home. So, bedroom 1. As you can see, really nice detailing. All of the rooms have not just central heating, but also air conditioning. And then here's the ensuite. I'm just going to go here a little so I can show you the sliding door. Nice touch, because obviously it saves space. And it matches the wardrobe. Every bathroom is a shower room. There are no baths in this property. And then let me show you bedroom number 2. And as you can see, each room has been individually styled. We go through here to the bathroom. Again, shower room. They also all have bidets as well as a loo. And high quality doors. Just the most beautiful woodwork. Look at the decoration on this door, isn't that just fabulous? Nice bright twin room. This one looks over the central courtyard where we started our video. And I just need to close that a little because the bathroom is through here. As you can see, it has everything that you need. I love this sink. Just the most beautiful piece of stone. This house is 100% legal. Absolutely everything you need in terms of paperwork is available for inspection by your lawyer. And you could purchase this property very, very quickly. If you needed to get a mortgage, I don't think that would be a problem either. Of course, that depends on your personal circumstances. Here's another beautiful room. And another amazing sink. This was an old feed trough. You can see a lot of thought went into this house. And it was always built and intended as a small hotel, B&B. Not built like that because originally it was built as a farmhouse, I would imagine. Now this is my favourite room. I think it's the largest of the rooms as well, but I love this room. And you have a little kind of dressing room come wardrobe. I'm just going to go inside so that you can see. This has nice views too. And then we go through to this wonderful bathroom. And then the curtain here separates the loo and the bidet. So you can see nice touches everywhere in the house. So here you would have possible income from renting the rooms, but also from the land. When you've got so many hectares of land which you could put to olive, currently much of it is used for wheat and for asparagus. There's lots of income streams that would be possible here. Look at this. It's just fabulous. It really is absolutely fantastic. So we very much look forward to showing you around this property and discussing all of the possibilities that there are. Please like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and check out our website, www.granadahouses.es. And in the next video, we'll be showing you parts of the land. So I'm going to leave you with another look just of this section, and then that beautiful internal patio space. And now I'll take you over to have a look at the separate apartment, which is just on the other side of this patio. I'm just about to show you the separate apartment, which would be perfect if we were using the house for rental purposes. This would be somewhere for the owners to live, or it could just be a separate rental studio. So this is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And as you can see, you come straight in and it's an open plan kitchenette, dining room, sitting room with nice wood burning stove. There's access to a private terrace at the back here too. And here's the first of the bedrooms. So this has been done in a much more simplistic style, much more modern style. But there's plenty of light. You know, it's perfectly sufficient for staying in when you have guests here. So unfortunately I didn't have the key for this one, but there's your private patio. And then another bathroom that's been done in a very similar style to the other bathrooms. So once again, please follow us on our YouTube channel, click like and share, do comment on the video and ask all of your questions in the comments section. This also has central heating, as you can see, which is by oil. Now this house not only has a license for rentals of rooms, but it also has a license for celebration. So you can hold any kind of large party here. You could do weddings, you could do baptisms, you know, pretty much whatever you want. It's everything you need to run a really good business. And in the patio as well, there's the barbecue, the pizza oven, and then there's an old bread oven over there. This isn't an actual well. There are 2 wells on this property, but that is just for decoration. And through here are a couple of outside loos for guests. So that's it for this part of the video. And in the coming weeks, we will be adding additional videos to show you the land and the swimming pool area and some of the other possibilities. And we'll possibly also do some more videos in the house, perhaps room by room, so you can have a really detailed look, because this house is worth taking a close look at. It is sensational. So we really do look forward to showing you around, and hopefully we'll be seeing you here very, very soon. Thank you for watching.